Let's learn about Controlled Unclassified Information, or CUI, and understand what makes it unique. To understand CUI, let's first look at how it fits into the broader classification system. At the top, we have classified information like top secret, secret, and confidential. Below that is unclassified information. Within unclassified information, there is a special category called Controlled Unclassified Information, or CUI. CUI belongs to specific categories that are defined in the Department of Defense CUI registry. Let's address some common misconceptions about CUI. First, CUI is not just any unclassified information that hasn't been cleared for public release. Second, CUI does pose risks to government missions if mishandled. It requires proper safeguarding. Finally, CUI is not marked at the discretion of information owners. It must follow established guidelines. The correct way to think about CUI is that it belongs to specific categories established in the DoD CUI registry. These categories help ensure consistent handling of sensitive but unclassified information across government agencies. Remember, CUI is a specific subset of unclassified information that requires protection based on established categories in the DoD CUI registry. It's not arbitrary, but rather a structured system for protecting sensitive information.